Hi everyone, this is Sean, Bid4Assets Marketing Manager. In this video, we are going to be talking about how to participate in Oklahoma County, Oklahoma Sheriff Sale auctions on Bid4Assets. A sheriff sale is a public auction to facilitate the sale of property that has been repossessed due to an unpaid debt. The proceeds from that sale are then used to satisfy that debt. In many cases, the sale results from a mortgage foreclosure. The first thing you'll need to do to participate in this or any auction available on Bid4Assets is register for a free Bid4Assets account if you haven't done so already. There are no monthly fees required to maintain your account. It is completely free, and the registration process only takes a few minutes. To begin, you'll want to go to the top navigation bar on bid4assets.com and select Sign Up. From there, you'll be prompted to provide an email address and to create a password. That password will be what you use to log into your Bid4Assets account, as well as confirm bids. So be sure to write it down or make it something that you will remember. From there, you'll need to provide some basic contact information, confirm your phone number, and finally, log in to your email account to confirm the email address that you've placed on file and complete registration. Bid4Assets has a video walking you through every step of this process, and you can access that video by going to bid4assets.com/videos. You'll see we've got many videos here walking you through the various steps of a Bid4Assets auction, including how to register for an account. Now, after you've created your account, the next thing that you'll want to do is go to the landing page on Bid4Assets for Oklahoma County Sheriff Sale auctions. You can do this from the Bid4Assets homepage by selecting the Sheriff Sales/Foreclosures display here to the right of our map. This will take you to the landing page of all Bid4Assets Sheriff Sales, and from there you can just select Oklahoma County. The first thing I want to draw your attention to here on the landing page is the display up top that says Sales Date. Selecting the Sales Date tab here will display a list of dates for upcoming auctions, and selecting one will generate a list of properties currently available on that date. So, for example, when I select December 12th, you'll see that it generates a list displaying only properties that are scheduled for auction on that date. If there are more than 15 properties in a particular auction date, you can use the arrows here at the bottom of the list to move from page to page. And the arrows at the end here will take you either to the first page or the last page on the list. Bid4Assets also offers a free tool to download the property list as a spreadsheet by clicking Download Property List and logging into your Bid4Assets account. This can be useful if you are planning to research properties that meet specific criteria. There are also search tools to the right of the auction list, such as a keyword search. So for example, if you know that you're looking for a property that's on Reeder Avenue, you can simply type Reeder into the search box, and the list will only display matching results. Now let's take a closer look at an individual auction page from one of these properties and talk a little bit about due diligence. The auction page has any available information that the sheriff's office can provide to assist you in your due diligence. Neither the sheriff nor Bid4Assets will have any additional information on the condition of the property or its title, including whether the property is free of liens. It is very important that you complete your own due diligence ahead of the sale, including researching the condition and value of the property, as well as any relevant information on the property's title status. Both the sheriff's office and Bid4Assets would recommend that you consult with an attorney before purchasing property from a sheriff sale. Bid4Assets president led a webinar on how to research tax sale properties, and much of the information in that video will be relatable and helpful for you researching sheriff sale properties. You can find that video one more time by going to bid4assets.com/videos. Now, one thing I'll mention is that you should never set foot on a property that is scheduled for sheriff sale, as that would constitute trespassing. However, it may be a good idea to drive by and view the exterior of the property ahead of the sale. Once an auction opens for bidding, you can place your bid. If you choose to enter your maximum bid, the auto bid system will bid up to that amount on your behalf, only as needed to outbid other bidders. Remember that in most cases, the lender will also be bidding on the property, so you will need to be the winning bidder in order to purchase the property. Auctions will be open for you to place bids from 10 a.m. to noon Central Time, most cases. Plus, there will be an additional 5-minute overtime. This means that if a bid is placed in the final 5 minutes of the auction, the clock will reset to 5 minutes left. This prevents a bidder from sniping an auction within a few seconds before it closes. Each auction will not close until 5 minutes have passed and no bids have been placed on it. Now, settlement terms, or the timelines and amounts that will be due after the auction closes, will be located on each auction page, as well as in the county's terms of sale, located on their landing page. We strongly encourage you to familiarize yourself with the settlement terms, as you must have the funds available to meet the payment timeline stated, or you will be in default and you may be banned from future auctions. When all of the bidding on a particular sheriff sale has concluded, you will receive an email letting you know if you've won any auctions. That email will provide you with settlement instructions, as well as a link to Bid4Assets Deed Wizard tool. This will allow you to update vesting information individually for any property that you've won. So, to recap some key points. To participate in Oklahoma County Sheriff Sales on Bid4Assets, you'll want to 1. Register a free Bid4Assets account. 2. Visit the Oklahoma County Sheriff Sale landing page on Bid4Assets and select the date of the auction that you wish to review. 3. Thoroughly research the properties you intend to bid on and place your bid when the auctions are open for bidding. Additionally, read the auction settlement terms ahead of time and be sure that you have the funds ready to complete the sale for any auction that you win. And then finally, 4, if you're a successful bidder, follow the instructions in your post-auction email to complete settlement. Again, sheriff sales can be complicated, so do your due diligence and consult with an attorney ahead of the sale. Bid4Assets is here to help with live customer service over 40 hours a week, so always feel free to reach out to us by going to bid4assets.com/contact. You could also obtain our contact information by going back to the home page, going to the top nav section, and selecting the Contact tab. This will provide you with our customer service team's email address and phone number. Again, you can reach out to us at any time. Until then, we hope this video was helpful for you, and we wish you the best of luck in your next auction on Bid4Assets.